Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to bookmark Google Docs. Bookmarks are incredibly useful for navigating lengthy documents, allowing you to jump directly to specific sections with just one click. This feature significantly improves your document's organization and makes it much easier for you and your collaborators to find important information quickly. We'll cover creating, linking, and managing these helpful navigation tools. Creating a bookmark in Google Docs is a straightforward process. First, simply place your cursor at the exact spot in your document where you want the bookmark, or highlight the specific text you wish to mark. Next, navigate to the Insert menu located at the top of your screen. From the drop-down options, select Bookmark. You'll then see a small, blue bookmark icon appear right next to your chosen text or position, confirming its creation. Once you have created your bookmarks, linking to them is the next step to seamless navigation. Begin by highlighting the text you want to transform into a clickable link. Then, locate and click the Insert Link icon, which looks like a chain, in your document's toolbar. In the linking options that appear, select Bookmarks and choose the specific bookmark you wish to link to. This creates an internal jump point. Bookmarks are not just for personal use. They are excellent for collaboration too. Anyone with edit access to your Google Doc can see and use these navigation aids. If you need to remove a bookmark, simply click on its blue icon and select the Delete option. Sharing documents with well-placed bookmarks significantly enhances teamwork, allowing everyone to quickly access relevant sections and work more efficiently together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.